Hello and welcome to Python for Complete Beginners. If you have ever wanted to learn programming or have heard a lot about Python but haven't taken the leap yet, you are in the right place. Whether you have never tried programming before or just haven't started with Python, this course is designed specifically for you. I have created this course to be friendly, interactive, and easy to follow. It's perfect for absolute beginners but also help those who want to progress to build small Python programs. Throughout the course, we will focus on hands-on practice, and as you move through the lessons, you would gradually build your skills and confidence. The key here is practice. The more you put in, the more you will get out, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And don't worry, it's not as hard as it seems at first. You would grasp all the core concepts of Python, and by the end, you will have a solid foundation to start your programming journey. And the best part, this course is designed to be concise and straight to the point. No 30-hour marathons with hours spent on a single concept. I believe in getting to the heart of things quickly, with lots of practical exercises to help reinforce your learning. One more thing, this course will keep evolving. While we focus on the basics now, I plan to add new exercises and updates regularly, so you will always have fresh material to practice and improve your skills. If programming excites you, trust me, you are going to love this course. It's a fantastic resource to help you get started and grow as a Python programmer. So what are you waiting for? Hit the Enroll Now button and I will see you on the other side to kick off this exciting Python adventure.